HVAC isn't going anywhere. If anything, HVAC is only getting larger. Everybody obviously needs heating and air conditioning. And in our area, they're only developing more houses, more restaurants, more businesses. And in turn, that creates more jobs as far as for HVAC is concerned. You can go anywhere in the world for HVAC. The certifications you get here at the school apply all over the United States. Hi, my name is Jake Thomas. I'm the HVAC and BMR coordinator at Tidewater Tech. We're in Suffolk, Virginia, assisting on a mini split install for a Make-A-Wish Foundation. So the little girl in the family suffers from a mitochondrial disease that does not allow her to be out in the elements. So a local contractor in the area, along with our BMR students, donated their time and material and built and framed a she shed for the little girl. And then the HVAC students have now come out and we are installing a mini split. They're currently running the vacuum on the line set for the mini split, and next thing is to hook up all the power and turn it on. I used to be a chief engineer for a resort property on the Eastern Shore. Before that, I worked for MacArthur Mall and I was a maintenance supervisor. Previous to those positions, I was actually a student at Tidewater Tech in the HVAC program. So then I was able to use that knowledge from the school to go out and start working out in the field before finally returning to be an HVAC instructor along with being the coordinator for the HVAC program. Some of the hands-on training that I received was installing units, being able to go out in the field just like we are today and service a project for a family that's in need or a business in need. And we will teach you that at Tidewater Tech. We have a lot of that equipment that you would see out in the field for the students to train and learn on. And we teach you everything from your basic, what certain hand tools are, all the way up to installing a unit, from refrigeration to commercial air conditioning to residential air conditioning, all the way to mini splits like what we're doing today. Along with that, we also teach professional development at the school. So that student is going to learn the difference between soft and hard skills, how to approach a customer, how to approach a job interview. So they're going to come out and be great entry-level technicians and entry-level employees. Trades are never going to stop. Trades are always going to be there. Trades are always going to be needed. You come to the school, you learn a trade. It's something somebody can never take away from you. That's a skill you now have for life. I went into this career so I could get that good feeling at the end of each day that I've gone out and satisfied somebody's needs. Obviously, this homeowner could not install this particular system themselves, and we were able to come out and help them, making sure everything is hooked up right, and then finally turning on the unit and seeing that homeowner be so happy. It's a life full of fulfillment.